Hello, good morning.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
We are
Morning, ma'am.
good, ma'am. And you?
I'm
Good
good.
morning, ma'am.
So, ready for the speaking class?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How much confidence you feel today?
Hi,
If
ma'am.
I, if I want you to rate your confidence level, how much you gonna rate yourself?
10
10
मैम
out of
10। अपने आप
10
को
out
क्यों
of
कम करें?
जल्दी से टाइप करके बताओ. Let me see. Who
ma'am,
is
10
on
out of
10 on 10?
100.
Oh wow, Harshita. I really
मैम
like
अपने
that
आप को हमेशा
confidence.
ऊपर रखना चाहिए मैम, इसलिए
Exactly. You have to be. You have to be positive. So आज we will work on our confidence level and fluency as well. इन दो चीजों पे हम वर्क करेंगे कि हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस, देखो चार पैरामीटर्स है स्पीकिंग. व्हाट आर दोस फोर पैरामीटर्स? कोई बताएगा? फोर पैरामीटर्स जिस पे आपकी स्पीकिंग इवैल्यूएट होती है.
Ma'am, there is a confidence, fluency, and
fluency,
also
lexical,
लेक्सिकल
pronunciation.
रिसोर्सेस. यस.
grammatical range and accuracy,
ग्रामेटिकल रेंज एंड एक्यूरेसी. थर्ड वन
pronunciation.
Vocabulary.
vocabulary. Correct. So vocabulary is nothing but the lexical resource.
And fluency.
Yes.
Pronunciation.
Pronunciation.
Fluency and
Hmm.
coherence. And
Ma'am,
yes, Rihanna,
pronunciation.
it's pronunciation. So when it comes to fluency and coherence, you need to be more confident to speak fluently. So confidence and fluency, इन दो चीजों पे आज हम वर्क करेंगे. आज हम ग्रामर को इवैल्यूएट नहीं करेंगे. आज हम किसे इवैल्यूएट करेंगे कि हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल और हमारी फ्लुएंसी ऑन टॉप हो. राइट. सो आज के सेशन का गोल है, आई विल बी टेलिंग यू अबाउट अ वेरी सिंपल फॉर्मूला विच यू कैन अप्लाई इन ऑल ऑफ योर स्पीकिंग पार्ट वन के आंसर्स. कोई मर्जी क्वेश्चन आ जाए आपके पास, you will be speaking with that formula. Now, you need not to learn anything, but that formula will be helping you in generating your idea. जब आपको ये नहीं समझ आता ना कि मैं फर्स्ट सेंटेंस तो मैंने yes और no में आंसर दे दिया, उसके बाद मैं अपने आंसर को कैसे डेवलप करूं, एक्सटेंड कैसे करूं. बिकॉज हमारा टास्क क्या है यहाँ पर, हमारे आइडियाज डेवलप होने चाहिए. अगर स्पीकिंग में हम स्पीक नहीं करेंगे, एक सेंटेंस का आंसर दे देंगे यस या नो में, या मे बी वन सेंटेंस हमने ऐड कर दिया, क्या एग्जामिनर हमें इवैल्यूएट कर पाएगा? नहीं कर पाएगा.
No.
Speaking is all about you need to speak well, you need to develop your ideas on the basis of all four parameters. Clear? So before starting, किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम, कोई क्वेरी है तो प्लीज लेट मी नो. And a person with the name of Ritu, is she present today? She has been booking the test on the application and there is no contact details. I saw her
Ma'am,
yesterday in the recording. When I was uploading the recording, then I saw a name Ritu, but she's not. Okay, no worries. किसी को कोई डाउट, कोई क्वेरी बताओ जल्दी से, और लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट देन.
yes,
हम्म.
मैंने पूछना था कि सीडी आइलेट्स में अभी वो ऑप्शन आ रहा है कि हम लोग राइटिंग पेपर पेपर पेंसिल से कर सकते हैं ना?
हाँ यस, अगर आपके यहाँ पर, यू आर फ्रॉम कैनेडा राइट, इन योर कंट्री
यस मैम.
यू आर हैविंग दैट ऑप्शन, यू कैन.
इंडिया में भी है मैम. मैंने क्योंकि आईडीपी में चेक किया था. अभी उन्होंने वो न्यू ऑप्शन आ रहा है सेम.
हाँ वो रहेगा. दिस इज द न्यू ऑप्शन ओनली, कि बाकी सब सीबीटी रहेगा, बट राइटिंग में दे आर गिविंग
जी.
यू एन ऑप्शन ऑफ पेपर बेस. यू हैव टू चेक इन योर
ओके
सिटी.
मैम.
इंडिया में भी यू हैव टू चेक इन योर सिटी कि आपके पास क्या अवेलेबिलिटी है.
ओके मैम. इस इफ आईडीपी की वेबसाइट पे शो कर रहा है तो इट मींस वी कैन बुक दैट सेम.
यस यू कैन, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, व्हेन आर यू प्लानिंग टू
ओके.
टेक एग्जाम इन द?
मे बी मैम आफ्टर September, maybe September.
September. Good, you have enough
Yeah.
time. Okay.
Yeah.
Manshu, you want to book a test of speaking in the application? So what you can do is you can go to the shop section. Application में एक section दिया हुआ है आपको shop section का. वहां पर जाकर आप टेस्ट बुक कर सकते हो. Okay? Speaking test with an examiner. You need to make a payment and then you can book the test. I can see some old names. Bibek, where have you been? Sushila, Nafiza.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah, fine. How are you?
How's the practice going on? And what are your plans? Are you taking IELTS soon
Yes,
or
in
still on
September I
practice?
will continue as
Okay. Okay, I cannot find Ritu here. Let's see. Okay. Now let's quickly begin with our task. Now today we will be practicing a very three common topics. Home, hometown and study. आता है ना? सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन क्या आता है? It's all about they're gonna ask you about your home, your hometown, your study. What do you do? What do you work? कहाँ रहते हो? घर कैसा है आपका? Hometown कैसा है आपका? Why were you absent yesterday, Kushal?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, he
You
was
were there?
present.
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't hear you yesterday.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, no worries.
Okay.
So, hometown study ये बहुत ही basic question है. Even not from the point of view of IELTS, generally भी, because if you're moving to another country, you should talk about कि आपका home कैसा है, आपका hometown कैसा है, आप study करते हो, आप work करते हो. These are very general questions जो आपको आंसर करने आने चाहिए. Not from only the test point of view, but in your life, you every time, whenever you're going anywhere, they ask you these questions. अगर आप अपनी job में भी हो, right? If you're applying for a job, basic questions है. आते हैं कि नहीं आते?
Yes,
कोई
ma'am.
आता है ना आपसे?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
About your
Ma'am.
study. पहला question ही यही होता है. What do you do? Do you work? Do you study? Where's your home? Where's your hometown? Where do you belong to? So इसके लिए एक फॉर्मूला है for every type of question. कोई मर्जी आ जाए पार्ट 1 में, आपको क्या फॉलो करना है? You have to follow AEE formula. Now what is this AEE formula? The ones who have already attended the last section. A
Answer.
stands for answer. Answer means the direct answer. आंसर का मतलब है कि आप डायरेक्ट आंसर दो. नाउ व्हाट इज डायरेक्ट आंसर? जो क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है उसका रेलेवेंट आंसर डायरेक्टली आपको वो बताना है. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट में आपको डायरेक्टली आंसर करना है, बाद में आप उसमें कुछ भी एड ऑन्स करो चलेगा, बट फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट शुड बी अ डायरेक्ट आंसर. देन इज E. E stands for
Explain.
Explanation.
explanation. Now, explanation could be any reason. Why do you like this? Why do you belong to this city? Why do you like your home? Why do you like study? Anything. Explain करना है. Reason करो, explanation डालो. It's up to you. The next E is yes, Anama.
Exam.
Yes.
Example.
It can be an example. If you do not have any example, you can add an extra detail to this. Now, if you follow this structure while giving the answer of part 1, you will never fail. अगर आपने ये मास्टर कर लिया ना, स्पीकिंग आपकी बिल्कुल शॉर्ट हो जाएगी. You will be able to speak about at least 3 to 4 sentences in your part 1. So आज हम इसको प्रैक्टिकली अप्लाई करेंगे. Now, my first question to you all is, I'm going to ask any one of you. Inder, I can see Inder on my screen first.
Yes, ma'am.
Inder, do you like your home? Can give
Yes,
your
I
answer.
love my hometown.
Hmm.
Yes, yes, I love my hometown because I was living since my birth. So it is very beautiful town. So there are some historical places. Every year, the tourists are visiting there. There are so many historical temples and park. So definitely, I love my hometown.
Uh, who heard it very clearly कि इंदर ने क्या बोला?
Ma'am, actually, Inder say about their hometown, but your question is about your home.
Exactly. That's what he did the mistake. That's a good catch, Kushal. Good. I asked him about his home, and he's
Oh,
talking about his hometown.
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 So that's an
मैम आपकी
irrelevant
आवाज कट गई
answer.
थी मैम.
Oh, so sorry. But you can see on the screen, I wrote a question for you.
No, no, because actually I'm driving now, so
Oh,
I
no
just
problem.
take Bluetooth. Yes, I'm
But
listening.
if
Yeah,
you're
that's why.
gonna talk about, let us take it as an example. My question was
Yes,
home,
ma'am.
and he's speaking about hometown. Then it's an irrelevant answer. Examiner is not asking about your hometown, he is asking about your home.
Home.
Nafisa, same question for you. Do you like your home?
Yes, I like my home because we all live here since our kindergarten and enjoy our kindergarten here. There are many beautiful memories of our kindergarten in our home. We enjoy every event together with our siblings. That's why I like it.
Hmm. So what rest students can talk about Nafisa's answer? कैसा था? Was it good? Was it okay? Was it bad?
It is little bit
Average.
low, ma'am.
The
Low,
confidence
low peak.
level was, yes, a little low. I can feel that. Anything else? She just took the question as an answer. Do you like your home? Yes, I like my home. No, ये आपको नहीं करना. That will be every time counted as a very weak answer. आप अगर एग्जामिनर ने आपसे पूछा है डू यू लाइक योर होम, यस आई लाइक माई होम, यू आर एक्चुअली कॉपिंग द क्वेश्चन. आपके पास पैराफ्रेजिंग की टेक्निक है. देखो फर्स्ट क्या है, नाउ लेट मी टेल यू विद एन एग्जाम्पल, क्योंकि हमें ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है सो दैट वी कैन जनरेट आवर आइडियाज. अब हम कभी भी आई लाइक माई होम नहीं बोलेंगे, हमें यस बोलना है. यू कैन टॉक अबाउट यस, आप वर्ड यूज कर सकते हो, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. Instead of yes, you can talk about absolutely. Absolutely, I really enjoy living in my home. So I am paraphrasing the statement. I'm not using the same words from the examiner. So इससे क्या हुआ? आपने आंसर भी दिया yes में, but you use a different structure. You do not use the same thing. I really enjoy living in my home. Now you have to explain it. क्यों पसंद है आपको अपना घर? Yes. Any suggestions? क्यों पसंद होता है हमें अपना घर? Explain. Aryan.
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan, I
So yeah,
want only the explanation part. The reason.
okay,
Hmm.
okay. So I like my home because like there is a
So
garden
sorry,
on my
I have to
roof.
interrupt you. You cannot say I like my home because you're
Okay, okay.
copying the question
All
again.
really, sir.
Hmm.
Okay, okay. So yeah, absolutely. I really enjoy living in my home, and there's a garden on my roof, and I plant new plants on Saturday and on weekends, and I enjoy my desk, which is in the corner of my room. And I think it give me quiet atmosphere and environment for my studies. And this is the most important part of my home.
Hmm.
Although my home is quite small, but it's good.
Good. That was good, Aryan. But what you did is you talked about an example first. And you said Saturday and then you talked about weekend again.
Okay.
Saturday is also counted in weekend.
Weekend.
है ना? So वो क्या हो जाएगा? Repetition हो जाएगा. Just calmly talk about it. I really enjoy living in my home. अब आपने क्या बोला? Quiet atmosphere. So you can say it's very comfortable and peaceful. आपने रीजन दे दिया कि आपको अपना घर क्यों पसंद है, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी कंफर्टेबल और इट हैज अ पीसफुल एटमॉस्फेयर. सिंपली अभी सिर्फ जनरेशन आइडिया पे वर्क करो कि हम एक्सटेंड उसे बाद में और कर लेंगे जब आपको ये स्ट्रक्चर समझ आ जाएगा कि आपको ऑर्गेनाइज कैसे करना है आइडियाज को. अगर आप अपने आइडियाज को ऑर्गेनाइज करते हो, यू आर स्कोरिंग इन फ्लुएंसी प्लस कोहेरेंस ऑल्सो, बिकॉज देयर शुड बी अ लॉजिकल फ्लो ऑफ आइडियाज व्हेन यू आर स्पीकिंग कॉन्फिडेंटली. नाउ यू कैन ऐड एन एग्जाम्पल. अब आप यहां पे बोल सकते हो बिकॉज यू हैव अ गार्डन इन योर प्लेस, you plant trees, you do gardening, whatever you do. I have my
Yeah,
own room where I can relax and study. I can use the word for instance, for example, or simply I can add extra detail. It's up to me.
yeah, ma'am, got it.
Okay? So work on this. 15 sentence. Who is sitting in between? Please. So how is the answer now? You gave a direct answer. You explain why you like your home. You add an extra detail to it. That is called a planned answer. Every time. अब देखो, it's the same English. सबसे पहले आंसर किसने दिया था? इंदर ने. No doubt उसका wrong हो गया because it was about home, not hometown. जब आर्यन ने आंसर दिया, it was a repetition. Saturday, weekends, quiet atmosphere. Then again, although it's quite small in size, रेपिटिशन को अवॉइड करने के लिए आपको एक प्लान स्ट्रैटेजी चाहिए होती है, सो दैट यू शुड नॉट रिपीट योर आइडियाज. अगर आपके पास स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं है, यू कैन नेवर स्पीक अबाउट इट. ओके, लेट्स टॉक टू संदीप. संदीप कौर.
Yes, ma'am.
Question for you is, the first topic I'm beginning with is home. ठीक है. आपका first
Yes.
question है, do you live in an house or an apartment?
I live in house. There are the 5 bedroom, kitchen, bedroom, courtyard, kitchen, garden. And when I was free, that time I prefer to gardening at home.
So how's the answer? Yes, everyone. I'm asking you. Did you all listen to the answer? What she said?
Yes, ma'am.
कैसा आंसर था आर्यन? Was that good?
Ma'am, it was normal. Like, I think confidence
Did she
or
missed out
or
something?
like
Did she missed out something?
Reason.
Yes, she missed out the reason. She gave an extra detail कि उसके घर में क्या क्या है, which is an extra detail. The example she added, but why she is living in a house, an apartment, she needs to add that. That leads to a strong explanation. आप हाउस में रहते हो, अपार्टमेंट में रहते हो, क्यों रहते हो? Always add this. I prefer living in a house because it is more spacious. and gives everyone enough privacy. For example, I have a small garden and a terrace. We often spend time together in the evenings. Harshita, same question for you.
Ma'am, do you live in a
Live in
house
a
or an
house
apartment?
or an apartment? Yes.
Ma'am, I live in a house with my family.
Hmm.
It's quite comfortable and has enough space for all of us. And I uh, what I like the most is that it is a peaceful environment which helps me to relax and focus on my studies and other work.
बट हर्षिता इतने पॉजेस क्यों आ रहे हैं बोलते हुए?
मैम मेरे को
रुक रुक के
ज्यादा
बोल
याद
रहे हो
आता है
आप? हाँ.
मैम सोच रही
Yes. Now, do you live in a house or an apartment? You can simply start with, at the moment, I live in a house. Try to paraphrase, है ना? इन चीजों पे work करो if you really want to score band 7 above. अगर 6 और 6.5 चाहिए, you can simply talk about I live in a house. आप ये भी सिंपल बोल सकते हो. बट अगर आपका टारगेट 7 है या उससे ज्यादा, then you need to paraphrase. Next on my screen, I can see Jyoth.
Yes, ma'am.
Which room did you like the most? You need to speak. Which room do you like the
Well,
most?
I like my own room because it is comfortable. Also, it's peaceful. For example, I have my own room. There are a lots of facilities like AC and others.
Yes. That's it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bhumit, same question for you.
I really love my own room because it decorated according to my taste. For example, my favorite color is yellow, and in the wall there are the painted by yellow color.
And why you're sounding so low?
मैम by birth है ऐसी है my tone.
You need to be a little more confident. And which room did you talked about? I missed out the first statement.
My own room.
My own room. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Asifa, a different question for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Asifa, question for you is, what can you see from your window?
Oh, ma'am, it's quite interesting because there is a raining in my area, and lay on my bed and look window and on a jamun tree, and I feel much pleasure when raindrops fell on leaves, and the sound of raindrops dropping on leaves. It's relaxing me.
That's it?
ये तो मैम it's my experience now, but the answer is that
No, it's really good, but you need to plan. इसमें थोड़े से errors हैं. You're taking long
जी
pauses. So you can simply say, question is, what can you see from your window? From my window, I can see lots of trees and greenery. I really enjoy the view because it looks calm and refreshing, especially after it rains. For example, watching raindrops fall on the leaves make me feel relaxed and help me forget my stress. Right?
Okay.
Or you can talk about
Right.
my window overlooks a beautiful garden. I love the view because it's peaceful. Right?
Right, ma'am.
तो पॉजेस नहीं लेने. अगर इतने पॉजेस लोगे सोचते हुए, ट्राई टू बी काम एंड देन स्पीक.
Okay,
You are
ma'am.
just having you are just telling me about your window. I got to know about
Right,
it.
ma'am.
So you need to be very calm when you speak. अगर इतने सारे पॉजेस लोगे तो कभी भी 7 पर टारगेट नहीं अचीव हो पाएगा. राइट? ये
Right, ma'am.
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं करना. नेक्स्ट
Okay,
वन,
ma'am.
ममता.
Yes, ma'am.
What would you like to change about your home?
Mhm.
Hmm.
I like my home. I like my home, but there are some changes which I need in my home. In my kitchen, I want to change. I want to change the cupboard because it's too old, and that's why I want a modular kitchen. And there is a very small space, so that I want a big kitchen.
बट ममता, इतना
हाँ जी,
रेपिटेशन क्यों लाना?
हाँ जी.
है ना? इतनी बार हम रिपीट क्यों करेंगे?
किचन वर्ड मैम.
नो, नॉट किचन. आपने
हाँ
बहुत
जी,
बार एक स्टेटमेंट बोला, देन लॉन्ग पॉज, देन फिर से बोला. बी
हाँ
काम.
जी.
व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू चेंज अबाउट योर होम? You really like your home, but there are few changes which you want to apply in your home. The kitchen, it's a bit old. I think it would look much better with the modern cabinets. For
Okay.
example, I would love to replace the old cupboards with the modular kitchen because it would be more stylish and functional. तो आपने पहले क्या बताया कि आपको क्या चेंज करना है? फ्यू चेंजेस करने हैं अपने घर पे. एक्सप्लेन कैसे करा कि किचन ओल्ड है, नाउ यू वांट अ बेटर वन विद द मॉडर्नाइजेशन. एग्जाम्पल, पुराने वाले कबर्ड्स को रिमूव करके न्यू लगाने हैं सो दैट इट वुड लुक मोर स्टाइलिश. आपने आंसर दिया डायरेक्टली, आपने एक्सप्लेन करा, देन आपने उसमें एक एग्जाम्पल भी ऐड करा.
ओके मैम,
Okay?
ऐसे देना मतलब आंसर. ठीक है
Yes.
मैम.
Yes.
थैंक
You can even use the word renovate also. I would definitely renovate my kitchen. The current cupboards, they are quite old, right?
यस मैम. ठीक है.
Okay. Anyone who can raise their hand, they want to speak? Anyone who would like to speak now? Otherwise, I have to call. Harshita, yours is done. Let's give us a chance to some other people. Yes, Sakshi. Sakshi के बाद अनिमेश का turn. Sakshi, do you prefer living in a house or an apartment? पहले आप डायरेक्टली आंसर करोगे, देन एक्सप्लेन करोगे, एंड देन यू विल बी एडिंग एन एग्जांपल.
हमने कहा ठंडा से गई हमने के अंदर आयल बल्ले बल्ले उधर न्याय
Who is speaking?
अपने गाना इनको पसंद बना लोगों ना बात का.
Sakshi, how long will it take to speak?
Yes, ma'am. I
Oh,
will speak.
so speak. Exam में you won't be having such time.
I mostly prefer living in house because it's comfortable to live there. House is big, living room, kitchen, study room, bedroom. This kind of the rooms are available in house, but apartment is not available for that kind. You can live in high top of live, but I live in the house because it's very comfortable. In, for example, in my house as a garden, this garden have a lot of tree, flower tree, mango tree. That's why I prefer living in house.
Your voice was little low. Okay. Any mistake she did? Yes. किस किसने आंसर सुना और मिस करा? How she spoke? कौन बताएगा? किसी ने आंसर नहीं सुना?
मैम वो स्लो बोल रही थी मैम, समझ ही नहीं आया।
हल्की आ रही थी आवाज ना।
Okay. So she actually talked about that she prefer living in a house. The house was comfortable. Then she explained about that it has living room, bedroom. An apartment does not have this. Then she again talked about, for example, my house has garden which has lots of trees. And then she mentioned which type of trees, and then she talked about it is comfortable. Anyone who can talk better than this? Animesh, the same question for you.
Yes, ma'am. First of all, I like to live most of the time in a home because in home there is a you can find some peace, and also you can also have your own freedom. Whatever you want to do, you do in your home. But in apartment, there is a lots of restrictions. Prefer living in a house, and also house give us the vast amount of space, and you can utilize it.
Now, Animesh, one thing I want to correct is the part one is all about you. So you cannot say you can do that, you can do this. You have to talk about yourself. Do you prefer living in a house or an apartment? I prefer living in a house. I would much rather live in a house than an apartment. The main reason is that the house feels more open, more peaceful, whereas apartments does not. For instance,
Okay,
my
ma'am.
house, like Sakshi mentioned, has a garden full of trees where I can relax, enjoy the fresh air, and listen to the birds chirping. You cannot say you can do that, you can do this if you live in house. If you do not live in apartment has no. I. You have to use this
Okay.
word I, because part one is all about you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So never speak about you. Speak about I. Always use
Okay.
I.
Ma'am,
Yes, who's this?
good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, please tell me, is it very convenient to speak both house or apartment
Yes,
or anyone?
you can. You can if you want to. Can you
मैम
speak
इस
and give
तरह
me an answer?
मैम ऐसे बोल सकते हैं कि हाउस के आई प्रेफर टू लिव इन अ हाउस देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन 3 reasons of this.
Yes, why not? आप reason explain कर रहे हो. It is nothing, but you are adding an explanation and then the extra detail.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
give me an
Thank you, ma'am.
answer. I want your answer. Yes.
Yes, of course. It is very spacious rather than apartment. Moreover, it has a number of amenities for me. Furthermore, I feel very relaxed because the environment of that place is very calm.
एक सेंटेंस के बाद कौन मोर और फर्दरमोर यूज करता है? एक सिंपल सेंटेंस, देन मोर ओवर, देन सिंपल सेंटेंस, देन नो कनेक्ट.
No,
कल भी यू वर नॉट प्रेजेंट इन यस्टरडेज क्लास.
no, ma'am.
तो ऐसे एक एक सेंटेंस के बाद कोई हम कनेक्टर्स का यूज नहीं करते हैं. We are
Okay, ma'am.
already using. Now suppose if I'm talking about, I would rather live in a house rather than than the apartment. The main reason is, if I'm using this phrase, the main reason is, इसका मतलब क्या है? मैंने क्या यूज करा है? Instead of because, I'm using the main reason. कल भी मैंने बताया था because को replace करने के लिए there are so many alternative. Then if I'm talking about for instance, I'm again using a connector. It's not कि एक simple sentence मतलब 3 sentence बना रहे हो आप short और उसमें आप connectors डाल रहे हो. It's really wrong. You cannot do that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
ठीक है, ma'am. ठीक.
Now let's come to another topic. Who raised the hand? Please raise your hands if you want to speak. Khushi? साक्षी का टर्न डन, अनिमेश का डन. खुशी, खुशी देख के खुशी आ गई.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Khushi, now I will be giving you some questions related to hometown. Okay? My question for you
Okay.
is, where is your hometown? Where is your hometown?
Okay.
Just take a 5
Uh,
seconds का
my
normal pause and then speak. बताओ.
my hometown is in Haryana, in northern India. It's a peaceful place with a good mix of modern facilities and traditional culture. I really like it because the people are friendly and life is less hectic than in big cities. For instance, during festival, everyone celebrates together, which creates a strong sense of community, and I really like it.
Yes. Then you need not to add again, I really like it. You already talked about in a positive way. ठीक है?
क्यों स्क्रीन नहीं आ रही?
मैं बोल रही हूँ?
हाँ, who is speaking in between? कौन है जो बिना ये म्यूट कौन नहीं करता? Who is this? Yes. So how was the answer of Khushi? कैसा आंसर था?
And that's a nice answer also. And also explain right.
Yes. Fluency was good. Confidence level was good. So what?
Pronunciation also nice.
Sorry? Range of
Pronunciation also.
Yes, range of vocabulary was also good. My hometown is in Haryana, a state in the northern India. I really like it because it's peaceful and it offers a balance of both modern facilities and the traditional culture. For example, people celebrate festivals together, which create a strong sense of community, right? Okay, now Harshit. Harshit, do you like
Yes,
your
ma'am.
hometown?
Yes, I like my hometown because
नहीं, because को replace
most
करना
of
है
my
और I like my hometown नहीं बोलना है, कुछ और बोलो. वो तो फिर सेम हो जाएगा, 7 नहीं आ पाएगा.
yes, definitely. I love my hometown. As my most of the childhood spent here, and I was born and brought up here, so I have a lot of memories. But now, the thing that I like the most is the transportation system of my hometown because if you want to go from one corner to another in my hometown, you can just book an auto rickshaw for just 10 rupees and you can reach your destination.
Okay. कैसा था हर्षित का आंसर?
मैम इन्होंने ये तो बताया नहीं कि मैं रहता कहाँ पे हूँ.
तो उसका क्वेश्चन डू यू लाइक योर होम टाउन था, ये थोड़ी था कि वेयर इज योर होम टाउन. वो क्यों बताए?
अच्छा.
हर्षिता को जानना है क्या?
नहीं.
देन उसने बिल्कुल रेलेवेंट आंसर दिया. क्वेश्चन क्या है एग्जामिनर का? इसका मतलब हर्षिता ने क्वेश्चन सुना नहीं. डू यू लाइक योर होम टाउन? द
क्वेश्चन नहीं
क्वेश्चन
सुना
वॉज
मैंने.
नॉट वेयर इज योर होम टाउन. तो उसे ये डिटेल, उसे लोकेशन बताने की नीड ही नहीं है. उसे सिर्फ ये बताना है कि व्हाई डज ही लाइक हिज होम टाउन. ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
Absolutely, I'm very fond of my hometown. The transportation. Harshit, answer अच्छा है. Work on the vocabulary part. The transportation system is quite convenient, which makes, like you talked about one corner to the another, that was good, but which makes the traveling around your city quite quick and affordable. पहले आप उसे बताओ, आपने जो 10 रुपीज वाला एग्जाम्पल दिया, यू कैन टॉक अबाउट इट दैट इट इज वेरी अफोर्डेबल. फिर यू कैन टॉक अबाउट इट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई कैन इजिली ट्रेवल फ्रॉम वन कॉर्नर of the city to the another, and an auto rickshaw ride often cost as little as 10 rupees for a short distance. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Vocabulary pe you need to work. Kushal,
Yes, ma'am.
what would you like to change in your hometown?
Yes, I really want to change in my hometown two things. Firstly, that is about to improve the road and also infrastructure in hospitals. It is very essential in my village. People are often suffer with those things. Oh, sorry, ma'am.
You can start again. Start from the beginning.
As currently my hometown is good for everything, but it is lack with the essential facilities such as hospitals and better schools. However, it is not spacious to build all those things. It is good for people to construct all those hospitals like infrastructure and improve road. Forever, when I am traveling to any distance, there is no proper public transportation. I would like to better change in those services.
How was the answer of
That's it.
Kushal? कैसा था? Yes, Aryan. कैसा
मैम इट
आंसर
वाज
था?
गुड मैम इट वाज गुड लाइक बट एक लाइक जो ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक आई थी मैम इन्होंने बोला आई एम ट्रैवलिंग वहां पे आया था व्हेनेवर आई ट्रैवल
Right. So instead of this, Kushal, you can begin. What would you like to change in your hometown? I would like to improve the healthcare and the public transport facilities in my hometown. Although it has most of the essential amenities, but there are not enough good hospitals and public transport is not very reliable. For example, people often have to travel nearby cities for medical treatment because local healthcare they are actually very limited. ठीक है, work on the vocabulary part and जो grammar के changes करने हैं. If I could change one thing, I would improve the roads and the transportation. First statement में हमेशा answer दो. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Next one, Anam.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your hometown famous for?
A lot of the things are famous for my hometown. First of all, the traditional food is most familiar in my city. People likes biryani. Most of the areas are well known. The taste of the biryani, and visitors came just for the visit to taste the different types of traditional food. For example, in the summer seasons, many people just like to travel to taste the different type of food items such like biryani and pakoras and kebab also there. And whenever a person's to just one time to taste, but they never forget the aroma of traditional food. So my city is famous for the traditional food also.
Okay. Yes. कैसा था answer?
She had more ideas, but she used repeatedly and
Yeah, she was revolving around only the biryani part. Is it, Anam? You love biryani?
It seems that he's from South India.
Sorry?
It seems that he belongs to South India.
What is your hometown famous for? It
Ma'am,
is
can I tell?
famous for its delicious traditional food. Many
Yes, ma'am.
people visit the area to enjoy the authentic local dishes. because they are rich in flavor. And prepare using different traditional recipes. For example, visitors often try जो भी आपके यहाँ बिरयानी है, kebabs है, and they never forget the delicious taste and aroma of that food. Okay?
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
वो गोल 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 घूम के सिर्फ एक ही बिरयानी पे नहीं अटकना.
Yes, ma'am.
एंड फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स नहीं होता, फॉर एग्जाम्पल होता है. सब जगह एस को नहीं ऐड करना.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, संजना, नेक्स्ट इज योर टर्न. Sanjana, is your hometown a good place to live?
Yes, definitely. My hometown is a good place to live because here we have the multiple facility. Like we can easily get the public transport, and we have multiple supermarkets here. And for the old people, we have established the government has established a park where they can spend some good time with their friends and have a get together. So definitely my hometown is a good place to live in.
Okay. How's the answer? Yes. Animesh?
Ma'am, that's a nice explanation, but most of the time she also used we have. That's the repetition of what?
Mm-hmm. And one more thing. Multiple facilities, multiple supermarket, public transport. So the question, and she repeated the question also. Is it? Did you notice that? Is your hometown good place to live? Definitely my hometown is a great place to live. You can again use here, absolutely, I really love enjoying living in my hometown. Definitely, I believe my hometown is an excellent place to live. I'm writing also so that you remember. Always try to paraphrase. अब क्यों अच्छा है? No doubt she talked about, but it offers all the essential facilities. Everything is easily accessible. For example, there is a reliable public transport and several supermarkets, not multiple. So this is the wrong collocation which you used. And well-maintained park, not multiple parks. Well-maintained parks where older people, they can relax, they can exercise and socialize also. है ना? Try to work on the vocabulary. Next, who wants to speak now? Who wants to speak now? Animesh, let me just look first who did not got a chance yet and they want to speak. Where is Ankit today?
Anji ma'am.
Yes. Ankit, it's your turn now. Why you're not raising the hand? You don't want to speak?
मैम एक्चुअली ना मैं वर्क कर रहा था.
हाँ, तो अभी आपको यही बताना है. Do you work or study?
Yes ma'am.
So you're working, right?
Yes.
चलो बताओ.
मैम इसके रिलेटेड मतलब क्या बताना है?
हाँ. Do you work or study? आप काम करते हो या पढ़ते हो? वर्क करते हो. अब उसे एक्सप्लेन करो, एग्जाम्पल डालो.
इंग्लिश में मैम.
हिंदी क्लास चल रही है.
नहीं
ट्राई करता हूँ मैं.
बताओ, हिंदी चल रही है तो हिंदी में बात करेंगे फिर हम बिल्कुल ही. व्याकरण पे आ जाएंगे. ओके, कम ऑन. You're such a good student. Talk about it. कुछ होगा मिस्टेक तो करेक्शन करेंगे. क्या प्रॉब्लम है? सारे यहाँ पर यही करने आए हैं. ओके?
ओके मैम. ओके.
चलो.
Yes, I am present. As I am doing present time, I am job at Punjab Tour and Travel as a accountant. This is a travel company, and I manage all financial records like profit and loss account,
Hmm.
and manage GST,
Hmm.
filling, and etc. etc.
Hmm.
मैम और भी बोलना है मैम?
बोलना तो था अंकित।
मैम मैम ये ना मेरी सेकंड क्लास है स्पीकिंग की, तो मैम नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं
इट्स ओके,
ट्राई
इट्स
करूंगा।
रियली ओके, यू ट्राइड, दैट्स अ गुड थिंग। ट्राई
ओके मैम।
करना बहुत जरूरी है। द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर ऑन म्यूट एंड दे डोंट वांट टू स्पीक, कभी भी कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल हाई नहीं होगा, राइट? सो योर
यस मैम।
क्वेश्चन है, देखो मेरा क्वेश्चन था डू यू वर्क और स्टडी, एंड यू सेड दैट यस यू आर वर्किंग एज एन अकाउंटेंट एट अ ट्रैवल कंपनी। आपने क्या बोला? यू टॉक्ड अबाउट आई एम एट अ जॉब एट टूर एंड ट्रेवल एज अकाउंटेंट। पहले हमेशा अपना डेजिग्नेशन बताओ दैट यू आर वर्किंग एज एन अकाउंटेंट एट अ ट्रैवल कंपनी. My
ओके।
job, it mainly involves managing the financial records, preparing GST returns, and keeping a track of company's income, expensive. यही है ना आपका laws
यस
में
मैम यस।
written. So I'm talking about income and expenses. For example, I record daily transaction, I file GST on time, and prepare profit and loss accounts so that my company is well organized.
यस
क्या
मैम।
अंकित? तो नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर मैं
यस मैम।
कल क्लास में पूछूं ये क्वेश्चन तो आप आंसर कर पाओगे?
यस मैम यस।
गुड। ये बहुत बेसिक क्वेश्चन है और ये आंसर करते हुए आपको कभी भी हेजिटेशन नहीं होनी चाहिए,
ओके मैम।
राइट? गुड।
यस मैम यस।
Okay, next one on my screen is Masum.
Yes, ma'am.
Masum, are you studying or working? ये बताओ पहले।
At the moment, I am a student. I am
ठीक
preparation
है,
for IELTS
so I'm
CBT.
gonna ask you a question related to study only. Do you
Yeah,
like your studies?
honestly, I thought the studies like, but there are difficult. I think it is very hard work and homework.
Sorry, I only got listened to that you don't like your study, it is difficult, it is hard. That's it?
Yeah.
So that's an incomplete answer. You did not add any reason. You just talk about that you don't like because it is difficult, it is hard. Difficult and hard is one and the same thing. So it's a repetition. Who can speak this? Yes, Aryan.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yeah, obviously I enjoy my studies because uh, I study physics and mathematics. So I really love to work on real life examples and real life project, how everything works in the world and how a universe works. So I enjoy the mathematics portion and the physics portion. And on my free time, I work on my projects like a robotic project and another project is a Arduino car. So overall, I enjoy everything in my life.
कैसा था आर्यन का आंसर? कौन बताएगा? कुछ मिस्टेक्स करी इसने? नहीं।
मैम स्टार्ट में सही था, बाद में थोड़ा सा हो गया।
क्या हुआ बाद में आसिफा, ये बताओ।
मैम एक्सप्लेनेशन थोड़ी सी वो ज्यादा और थोड़ी सी वो होगी
हाँ, बस लास्ट में
इररेलेवेंट।
थोड़ा जब प्रोजेक्ट्स वाला पॉइंट। स्टार्टिंग वाज
जी
वेरी गुड, ठीक है। माय फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट्स आर फिजिक्स एंड मैथमेटिक्स because they help me understand how things work in the real life. Robotic projects and other projects. Robotic projects where I can apply the concepts I have learned in the class. Practical applications, logical thinking, इन सब की बात कर सकते हो आप, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now next, who wants to speak? Let me see who raised the hand. Okay, I'm going to ask now. Fahima,
Yes, ma'am.
what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is physiology. I'm a medical student. Can you, may I give the answer, ma'am?
That is what you need to speak. What is your favorite subject?
Physiology.
तो बोलो आगे. You have to speak,
Ma'am,
Fahima.
yeah.
एक लाइन का आंसर नहीं, 3 लाइन का. क्यों? देखो आपने बताया कौन सा सब्जेक्ट है,
Actually, ma'am,
फिजियोलॉजी.
I feel
क्यों
so nervous
पसंद है
because
ये एक्सप्लेन करो. देन एक्स्ट्रा डिटेल या एग्जाम्पल. क्यों पसंद है ये बताओ फिजियोलॉजी.
मैं फर्स्ट से शुरू करती हूँ. आई एम currently a student. I am focusing on my academic studies and prepare for future career opportunities. मैं बहुत नर्वस हूँ.
नर्वस ही तो
या
क्यों ना, और आप गलत आंसर दे रहे हो. एग्जामिनर आपसे आपका फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट पूछ रहा है, आपके लाइफ गोल्स नहीं पूछ रहा कि आप अभी क्या करते हो, क्या आगे करने वाले हो. वो आपका सब्जेक्ट पूछ रहा है, व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट. आपने बोला
या
फिजियोलॉजी बिकॉज यू आर अ मेडिकल स्टूडेंट. अब आपको फिजियोलॉजी क्यों पसंद है, आप ये बताओ रीजन.
Because I learn everything about physiology, and I want to be a doctor of gynecologist. That's why I like physiology.
गॉट इट. क्या बेटर आंसर हो सकता है इसका? एनीवन?
Can I speak?
यस आर्यन.
Yeah, so my favorite subject is physics because I can learn how everything works in real life and how the machinery and how the universe works. And for instance, recently I'm working on a research. This research is depend on how we can land a 1-ton rover on the surface of Mars. So I think it's give the hands-on practice and it can tell you how we can predict the future. So physics is my favorite subject, that's why.
दोबारा से रिपीटेशन नहीं लाना, दोबारा से ये नहीं बोलना कि दिस इज द फिजिक्स इज दिस एंड दिस. एंड यू टॉक्ड
Oh,
अबाउट द
ma'am,
रिसर्च. सो दिस रिसर्च मेनली फोकस ऑन, यूज दिस वर्ड.
okay, ma'am.
ओके.
मैम कैसे हम
हाँ फाहिमा,
आंसर को
आई एम कमिंग टू योर पॉइंट. यू सेड माय फेवरेट
कैसे
सब्जेक्ट इज
आंसर बिल्डअप करना.
physiology. That is what I'm telling you. Wait. You talked about that your favorite subject is physiology. Why do you like it? Because it helps me understand how the human body functions, how different organs they work together. आप explain नहीं कर पाए अपने उस physiology के part को. I learned everything. आपने ये बोला. For example, as a medical student, I learned about the human body.
Yeah, ma'am.
Especially it can be topics related to any जो भी आपके उसमें होते हैं, which is very interesting also.
Not interesting.
Being a doctor, you need to explain. अगर आप ही explain नहीं कर पाओगे, then how you gonna explain to others? Okay, next one. किसकी turn
Ma'am,
रहेगी?
ma'am, sorry for bothering you, but I have a question. Ma'am, like I face a struggle in like when how I can end my answer. So like वो repetition हो जाता है वही
आर्यन,
वाला.
जब आपने एग्जाम्पल दे दिया, you need not to speak anything. खत्म वहीं पे.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. दोबारा से अगर आप फिर से पैराफ्रेज करके वही स्टेटमेंट बोल रहे हो, दैट्स व्हाई आई लाइक माय सब्जेक्ट, दैट्स व्हाई आई लाइक माय फिजिक्स, तो वो तो आपने पहली स्टेटमेंट में एग्जामिनर को ऑलरेडी बता दिया ना. आप एक्सप्लेन
yeah.
तभी कर रहे हो फिजिक्स को क्योंकि आप फिजिक्स को पसंद करते हो. आप फिर से एक और स्टेटमेंट ऐड करोगे तो कंक्लूजन नहीं लगाना यहाँ पर. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
यस.
Ma'am, intonation, ma'am, sorry.
इंटोनेशन वाज गुड. यू
Ma'am,
ऑलवेज
intonation पे थोड़ा
हैव टू
focus करना है क्या?
मेंटेन. यस, बिल्कुल करना है. मशीनरी का प्रोनाउंसिएशन वाज रॉन्ग बिकॉज देयर इज अ मदर टंग वाला टच है आपकी टोन में. प्लीज वर्क ऑन दैट. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
जेना.
Yes, ma'am.
जेना, डू यू प्रेफर स्टडिंग अलोन और विद अदर्स?
I prefer studying mostly is alone because it gives me a good focus and concentration, and it's easy for me that I know where I'm standing at the time of my exams.
Okay. How was the answer of Jena? अच्छा था, कुछ मिस्टेक है? लगता है सब
Good,
जीना
ma'am,
से
but
डर रहे हैं तो
little
बताइए।
bit.
हाँ हाँ, यस, थोड़ा सा और
It
एक्सपैंड
is.
हो सकता था, व्हाट आई वुड।
Yes, ma'am.
आंसर वाज नो डाउट गुड, प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी गुड था, फ्लुएंसी भी ठीक है, कॉन्फिडेंस भी अच्छा था, नॉट साउंडिंग वेरी लो। एंड शी टॉक्ड अबाउट दैट शी प्रेफर्स स्टडिंग alone because it helps me to stay focused and concentrate better without any distractions. Now, she gave an example like she actually got to know where she's standing in the exam. So you can talk about it, Jena, here, like you can expand your idea. I can study at my own pace and understanding the topics more thoroughly. Try to expand little more. है ना, एक होता है छोटा
Yes,
आंसर, लेकिन जब हम उसमें एक्सप्लेनेशन डालते हैं उसे हम डेवलप कर देते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ये जो आपने लास्ट सेंटेंस बोला, इसे आप एग्जाम्पल में डालो। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर माई एग्जाम, स्टडिंग अलोन अलाउ मी टू आइडेंटिफाई माई स्ट्रेंथ and weakness and see where I stand. So
Okay,
I
ma'am.
just
Yes,
spoke
ma'am.
what you spoke, but I just extended it a
Elaborate.
little more, right? Because speaking
Yes, ma'am.
you need to develop your ideas. This development of ideas will 102% will help you in writing also. अगर आपको idea generation speaking में आ गया ना, writing module पहुंचने तक you will be a pro person. Okay?
Okay. Yes,
Next,
ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Elora,
Yes, ma'am.
where do you usually study?
I usually study in my room because it is very peaceful and I feel comfortable to do study there.
Okay, कैसा था आंसर?
मैम क्वेश्चन का रिपीटेशन डायरेक्ट और एग्जाम्पल नहीं था और थोड़ा छोटा था।
और कोई मिस्टेक? यस, कोई ग्रामेटिकल एरर? नो डाउट एक्सपेंशन थोड़ा कम था, बट टू डू स्टडी देयर, क्या ये करेक्ट था? शी सेड
नो मैम।
it's peaceful, it's
No.
comfortable. I study there. I usually study in my room, right? So थोड़ा सा एलोरा ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स पे वर्क करेंगे, रॉन्ग नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am. It's
Otherwise,
I
it was
spoke first time.
when you're talk, yes, no problem, अलोरा। अगर हमें हमारी मिस्टेक्स पता लगती है, it's really good, ठीक है, क्योंकि हम उन पे वर्क कर पाएंगे। ऑल ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर प्रेजेंट, अगर उन्हें ये लग रहा है कि हम स्पीक कर रहे हैं, मैम इज आस्किंग एवरीवन कि क्या मिस्टेक था, गाइस यू ऑल आर ऑन द सेम लेवल। सो अगर हम किसी से कुछ, किसी ने हमारी कोई मिस्टेक नोटिस भी करी है, दैट्स अ गुड पॉइंट। अगर हमें वो पता नहीं चलेगी तो हम इम्प्रूव कैसे करेंगे? और अगर अभी हम इम्प्रूव नहीं करेंगे तो क्या हम एग्जाम देने के बाद इम्प्रूव करेंगे जब हमारा 20,000 वेस्ट हो जाएगा? नो,
नो मैम।
definitely not. You all are a group. You all are learning at the same level. Maybe कोई 6 हो, कोई 6.5 हो, कोई 7 हो, but अगर कोई 7 वाला भी आपको evaluate करे, then it's a very good sign. आपको भी समझ आ रहा है, ताकि जब आप भी अपने आंसर को सुनोगे, आप खुद को भी evaluate कर पाओगे। You cannot give test to me every day. It's not possible, right? बिकॉज इट विल कॉस्ट यू ऑल्सो। बट अगर आपको वो चीजें अपने आंसर में सेल्फ इवेल्युएशन आ रहा है करना, कि मैं कहाँ ग्रामेटिकल एरर कर रहा हूं या उस पर्सन ने कहाँ करा, दीज थिंग्स विल हेल्प यू इन द लॉन्गर रन, ठीक है? So
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
better that
Yes,
you
ma'am.
all should speak and you all should learn with somebody else who is giving a better answer. Okay? Got
Yes,
it?
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Now I
Yes,
want
ma'am.
to give you something. I decided that by the end of the session, I'm gonna give you some good phrases and we'll try to give some vocab also. Like our topics were hometown. ठीक है, hometown का topic था, study का topic, home का topic. I really want to give you some good collocated words so that you learn every day and apply in your answer. For home, instead of always talking about that it is peaceful, you can say it has a comfortable living space. You can use these words whenever you're going to talk about your home, you can use. Instead of only talking about it has a quiet atmosphere, you can say it has a cozy atmosphere. It's well furnished. It's spacious. Some students, they have used the word also spacious, and it has a relaxing environment. So by the end of the sessions, in the speaking classes, whenever we're going to have some topics similar, I'm going to give you 5 to 6 vocab so that you can use them in a natural way. Good?
Okay, ma'am.
Now for
Okay,
hometown,
ma'am.
it's heavily populated. It's well developed. You have to use this in your answers. You have to frame a sentence. It has modern facilities. It has fast-paced lifestyle, the busy life, the busy city. And again, it has a peaceful environment. The collocations which go together. Animesh, do you want to say something? You raised your hand.
No, ma'am, sorry.
Okay. For study, you are talking about your favorite subject. You can use the phrase, it enhanced my knowledge. Physiology, physics. It helped me to develop new skills. Develop new skills. Study का कभी भी topic आ जाए. It helped me in my academic growth, or it leads to academic growth. Practical learning. While giving an example, you can use practical learning. Career opportunity.
Broaden skill set.
Yes. There are many actually, but I always want to give you these 5, 6 so that you learn them and you apply them in your sentence structure. ठीक है? And whenever you want to talk about the reasons, you want to talk about your opinions. No doubt opinions will not be in the part 1. It is part 3. But reasons. जब आप because बोलते हो ना, तो because को replace करके you can use this. Okay? जब आप examples को add करते हो, instead of just speaking about for instance, for example, you can say a good example of this is.
मैम पार्ट 1 में एग्जांपल देना है.
Yes, part 1 में आप example अपना ही तो बता रहे हो, right?
और पार्ट
Got
2
it?
में
Abhi, we are not into part 2, Faima, so don't talk about part 2. Only focus on part 1, please. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, ma'am.
So, अब हम one word में कभी भी आंसर नहीं देंगे. So, there will be no one word के answer. हम क्या करेंगे? We will always extend our answers with explanation and example. क्या हमने कोई भी मेमोराइज्ड आंसर बोला अभी तक?
नो मैम।
No, ma'am.
क्या हमें आइडिया जनरेशन आई अब कि हम आइडिया को कैसे जनरेट करेंगे? जब
यस
हम
मैम।
उसमें अपना रीजन डालते हैं, अगर हमें स्टडिंग अलोन पसंद है, क्यों अलोन रहना पढ़ना पसंद है, क्यों हमें हमारा होम टाउन पसंद है, वो रीजन हम डालते हैं। उस रीजन के बाद हम एक डिटेल को डालते हैं, राइट? रिमेंबर कि आपको फ्लुएंसी पे वर्क करना है, फैंसी इंग्लिश पे नहीं करना। सो टेल मी ऑनेस्टली, डिड यू स्पीक टुडे?
यस मैम।
जिन्होंने बोला है वो तो थम्स अप करेंगे,
यस
राइट? AEE हेल्पफुल लगा?
ऑब्वियसली मैम, इट वाज वेरी हेल्पफुल।
कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल इंक्रीज हुआ?
यस
Yes,
मैम।
yes,
तो
ma'am.
जल्दी से सेशन को रेट करो चैट बॉक्स में फ्रॉम 1 to 10. You have to type. The next session will be level up again.
Ma'am,
It will be again a good level up. The more you speak, the better you will become. Remember this thing. जितना ज्यादा बोलोगे उतना ज्यादा बेटर आप हो जाओगे in the speaking. Because for me, देखो, it's not easy. There are 50 above students who are in the class. So 50 students को कॉल करके बोलना है, ट्राई टू कॉल देम, जो ऑलवेज म्यूट पर रहते हैं, बट देर आर सम गुड स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ माइंड जो पहले ही रेज कर लेते हैं हैंड बिकॉज दे वांट टू स्पीक, राइट? यू डू नॉट हैव अ चांस ऑन द AI this thing, but here you can speak. आपका इवैल्यूएशन हो रहा है डायरेक्टली, आप बोल रहे हो, आपको फीडबैक मिल रहा है डायरेक्टली, ओके? सो टेक दिस इन अ पॉजिटिव वे कि आप बोलोगे एंड मैम विल इवैल्यूएट यू राइट अवे, ओके? सो प्रैक्टिस करो AEE के थ्रू। आज पार्ट 1 की प्रैक्टिस करना सिर्फ। फॉलो दिस स्ट्रक्चर। पहले मैं डायरेक्टली आंसर करूंगा, डायरेक्टली आंसर करने के बाद मैं उसे एक्सप्लेन करूंगा एंड देन एक्स्ट्रा डिटेल या फिर एक एग्जाम्पल ऐड करूंगा। लिसन टू योर आंसर अगेन, ओके? So I want you all to say with me, I will speak English confidently. Say
I will
with
speak English confidently.
I will speak English confidently.
yes. What about the others?
I will
Excuse
speak
me, ma'am.
English confidently.
Yes, Ankit.
English.
I
मैम
will
सॉरी मैम,
speak
मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम
English
मैं बेटर ट्राई
confidently.
करूंगा बोलने के लिए।
Yes, Ankit.
मैं कहा मैम नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं अच्छा ट्राई
Yes,
करूंगा।
definitely. आज भी अच्छा था अंकित. It's good that you tried. Try करना बहुत ज्यादा important है. No, there are errors, no problem. But वो errors जब पता लगेंगे तभी तो work करोगे ना. जब एरर्स के बारे में पता ही नहीं है तो वर्क कैसे करोगे? बिना बोले तो आपको कोई इवैल्यूएट नहीं करेगा। सीधा अगर एग्जाम में जाके स्पीकिंग टेस्ट देना है तो अभी AI पर या मैम के साथ स्पीकिंग करने का तो कोई फायदा ही नहीं है। सीधा जाके एग्जाम में दे दो, 20,000 वेस्ट, बैंक स्कोर नहीं आएगा। सो इट्स बेटर टू स्पीक हियर। जितना ज्यादा, व्हाई वी आर कंडक्टिंग दिस स्पीकिंग सेशन, स्पीकिंग कराने वाले, आई नो दैट देयर आर मेनी क्लासेस जो सिर्फ 1 वीक में एंटायर स्पीकिंग मॉड्यूल खत्म कर देते हैं, but we only conduct speaking part 1 for entire week. आज हमने होम टाउन और स्टडी टॉपिक करा है। Tomorrow there will be different topics. The another 3 topics will be conducted tomorrow. So be prepared for that. Okay?
ओके मैम।
Got it? Good to go?
Got it.
Yes, ma'am.
So always click on the remind me button ताकि किसी की भी कोई भी क्लास मिस नहीं होनी चाहिए। आप चेक कर सकते हो 6 अगस्त तक सारी क्लासेस स्केड्यूल है। स्पीकिंग की बहुत जल्दी आगे की क्लासेस भी स्केड्यूल हो जाए। ओके? सो यस अनिमेश, यस प्लीज।
मैम आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन। इन द ऐप समटाइम नोटिफिकेशन आता है कि आपका कुछ फ्रेंड और से उधर से कॉल आया, बट इज देयर एनीथिंग कॉल
कौन आया?
मीन
सॉरी,
call mean there is a section you can speak with Maya, that's a AI, and also you also speak with the guy those who are in the app.
so sorry, I did not came across this.
Oh.
AI में स्पीकिंग है, yes, and the speaking
नॉर्मल प्रैक्टिस के लिए मैम उधर है एक माया बोल के एक है एआई, और नीचे और भी एक सेक्शन है जहाँ आप कॉल कर सकते हो दोज हु आर कनेक्टिंग विद द ऐप.
In our application.
यस.
मैम स्पीकिंग में मॉड्यूल में है कि
जो
Okay,
प्रैक्टिस
I need to check today maybe because
यस
the
मैम
changes
ऐसा
are.
है, लेकिन
हाँ.
वही लोग कॉल कर सकते हैं जिनके पास प्रिस्क्रिप्शन मौजूद है ना,
Oh,
हाँ हाँ
ऐसा
हाँ
है.
हाँ. बट समटाइम उधर से नोटिफिकेशन आता है जो यू जस्ट मिस द कॉल, समवन जस्ट कॉलिंग यू लाइक.
जी हाँ, नोटिफिकेशन मिलते हैं बट
I will check with the team first. I will check with the team.
But
Okay, and
whenever
then
we
I'll let you know tomorrow.
whenever we try, but there is no one.
Oh, maybe.
वाले कर सकते हैं, बाकी नहीं कर सकते.
Okay, yes, Harshit.
I'm also
सब्सक्रिप्शन वाले
subscription.
भी नहीं कर सकते.
I'm also
मेरे
subscribed.
पास
मैम
सब्सक्रिप्शन है.
मैं माया के साथ बात ही किया. ओ
Harshit. Yes, Harshit, what's your query?
मैम व्हेन आई स्पीक मैम मेरा सबसे ज्यादा गलत मैम ग्रामर में सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट जैसे कि हैज और हैव, और पास्ट टेंस. मैम पास्ट टेंस में मैं प्रेजेंट कर देता हूँ मैम, इज आर एम.
हर्षित, द ग्रामर पे तो आपको वर्क करना पड़ेगा.
तो ये
ग्रामर
इम्प्रूव
पे
कैसे
तो
होगी मैम? मैम जैसे कि मेरे को रूल्स वगैरह तो पता है सारे, बट जब
रूल्स पता है,
स्पीकिंग
बट रूल्स को अप्लाई करो हर्षित. अप्लाई करो. अप्लाई करोगे डेफिनेटली इट विल हेल्प यू आउट. ठीक है, अप्लाई करना स्टार्ट करो. जस्ट चेक, तभी मैंने बोला जब बोलते हो चेक करो क्या मिस्टेक करी थी. पास्ट बोलना था, प्रेजेंट बोलना था, फ्यूचर बोलना था, क्या बोलना था. ठीक है, सेल्फ इवैल्यूएशन करना स्टार्ट करो. Okay, guys, now see you all tomorrow because I have a test at 10:30. The student Ritu is still not available. Okay, got it. ठीक है. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye bye. Take
Thank
care.
you, ma'am.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much,
much.
ma'am.
See you all tomorrow. Bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
बाय मैम, टेक केयर.
See you tomorrow.